Hello, good day and welcome to Gnss. My name is Edwin and today I'll be introducing a new gadget that we have here with us. So this is the Sinognss P6H tablet. So it is a data logger which is also a controller that has a receiver attached to it. So it is a RTK tablet. So you can use it for your GIS, to acquire GIS data. You can use it for site inspections to pick coordinates. You can even use it for cadastral surveys. You can use it for so many things. So this is the gadget here. We'll be explaining how to make use of it, how it works, and everything about it. So do well to follow us on all our social media platforms, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on LinkedIn at Gnss Technology. So thank you, and let's proceed to the exercise. Okay, so welcome back. Now if you are using this to do GIS and probably cadastral surveys, all you need to do is you launch your application that you'll be using for your survey. But for this, we'll be using the Survey Master application that comes with the device. So this is my Survey Master application. So you do your setup, connect to the base, and make sure you have a fixed solution before you carry out your exercise, before you start to pick your point. So to pick a point, all you need to do is just to put the controller on top of the point you want to pick, like this, and you click on survey or you click on measure. It will get the coordinate of that point where the controller is, where the device is standing on. But for accurate cadastral survey, if you want to do accurate cadastral surveys, you will need a pole. So we've made something like this that you can use to attach this device now to a pole. So I'll be doing that very quickly so that you can see how it works. So first thing is we are going to attach this to the pole. And then we'll put this one on top of it here like this. Screw this. And then this one will sit on top of this bracket, inside this bracket, so that it can be firm. So this one goes into the bracket. You ensure the center is at the middle of the pole, then you screw this to ensure that the bracket is firm. So with this, you can put the pole to the point where you want to pick the point from, and it will give you the accurate survey, the accurate coordinate of that point, exactly where the on top of where the device is. And you have to make sure you bubble this so that it can be as accurate as possible. So this is how to make use of this device for cadastral surveys.